And this week is going to be Christmas edition. I'm getting started on my Christmas decorations, and I'm going to be doing these ornaments all from the Dollar Tree, starting with this wooden plank here. They sell these wooden planks. I believe they come in a pack of like 6 for $1. So I'm going to start using those with my truffle paint and a little bit of water. I'm going to start giving them like the stained color. And then using these alphabet letters from the Dollar Tree, they're just stickers. I'm going to place them on and start to decorate them with that. Some of them I just placed down and used them as like a stencil and traced it out, and just like filled in the inside with little different stripes and dots and stuff like that. And the other ones I just left plain using the sticker itself. I just decorated it using some twine. I also have like little bells, these little glitter foam balls, and some small acorns as well. So this next ornament is macrame inspired. Just 2 things for this one. Is super quick, super easy, and you're gonna hear me say that a lot because all of these ornaments are really easy, I promise. So I just have like this gold wire, and I'm gonna shape it into a circle. I doubled it up so it can be like a little more sturdy, and then I'm just gonna tape it off. Then using this nautical rope from the Dollar Tree, I separated it into like the 3 different sections, and I'm going to cut about maybe like 4 to 5 inches down, even it out, make a loop, slip it underneath the wire, and like pull the little legs through. And that's the knots that you're going to be doing all around. So you're just going to slip it underneath the wire and pull those little 2 legs right through the loop, and like I said, just do that all the way around the wire. And that is pretty much it from there. The next step is just taking a comb, and you're going to start combing out that yarn or the string or whatever you want to call it. You're going to place it down and cut all around it so that it's even, and that's it. So for this ornament, you're just going to be making a snowball. That's it. They have these little clear plastic ornament balls at the Dollar Tree. They have this faux snow. It's like foam, little foam balls. And I'm just going to take that, pour it inside. And those little snowflake stickers you see there, I'm going to use those and just place it all around. I'm going to be using the tumbling blocks from the Dollar Tree is what they call them, but they're really just like little Jenga pieces from the game. So I'm going to use those for this set of ornaments, I guess, because I'm going to make like 3 different kinds. I'm going to paint some of them black, paint some white and some green, and then I just kind of distress the corners of it a little bit with a little bit of white paint there. To decorate these, I am going to use these stickers, which at first I thought were like the transfer ones, because Dollar Tree always has those transfer ones that you gotta cut them out and push them down onto the surface of whatever you're using. It's not till I was done cutting them that I realized they're just stickers, so I could have just pulled them right off, but whatever. So I'm going to use these stickers. I'm going to use like a gold metallic marker to decorate some of them. They have these other glittery stickers that look more like kid friendly. They have like snowmen and snowflakes and little reindeer and stuff like that. Look, I totally spelled my nephew's name wrong. I'm so sorry, Noah Bear. And I didn't even realize it until like 2 days later. I was sitting there looking at the ornaments like, yo, something looked off about this one, but I fixed it. Sorry, Noah. So yeah, just some twine to attach like a little hook so I can put it onto the tree. And yeah, I just decorated each of them a little bit different. Put all of my nieces and my nephew's names on them and got them hung up. Really, really simple again, and easy and cute. And I really like the way these turned out. So these little clear ornaments also come in this little light bulb shape, and I just filled that the same way as I did the previous the snowball one, using the foam balls, and I alternated between the white and gold. And I just painted the tip of this black because I just thought it would look better black. Like, that's it. You can obviously leave it as it is if you wanted to, but again, another very, very simple ornament. So for this next one, we're going to make it kind of like a snow globe using this clear one right here. The Dollar Tree has these little faux tree decorations right now. 2 of them come in a pack of 1 with 1 smaller and 1 larger. So I'm just trying to see if it will fit in here first, which it didn't. It was too large, so I just like ripped off the bottom part right there and put like a generous amount of hot glue on the cap and just pressed it down and held it into place until I was sure it was like stuck there. Now this fake snow is so much harder to find. I went to like 3 different Dollar Trees and only found like 2 packs of it, so I just grabbed them, and that's the one that I'm going to use for this one. It looks much more realistic than those little foam balls that I was previously using. So I'm just going to take some of that and put it on the inside to give it that like snowy effect, like the snow is dropping down over the tree. I don't know, I just thought it looked really cool. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to add this white glitter ribbon to the bottom and also just make little hooks out of them so I can hang it up. Man, I wasn't even going to explain this next one because it's so simple, but you know, just for video purposes, here we go. Get you an ornament, the clear one, put some glue on it, dip it in the snow, and that's it. Okay, so for these final 3 ornaments, I'm going to be using this little favor set. They're like little pails. I found them in the party aisle at Dollar Tree. They have like a little bridal section where they keep these. So I just grabbed a few of them and I'm going to decorate them using pretty much the same things I've used throughout the whole video. This twine, this little set of pine cones, a few of the leaves and berries and bells, and just, you know, get them filled up. Now to stuff the inside, just use whatever you have on hand, like little cotton balls or I don't know, paper, just to fill up the pail a little bit to give it some height and to hold whatever you want to stuff inside. I like really love this next one. Of course, it's like, again, super simple, but I just thought it turned out so cute. It literally just looks like a bucket of snowballs. Like you about to go tear somebody up. Like that's what I was thinking of when I was making this one. I just stuffed these little white pom-pom balls inside this pail, and I used the spray adhesive on the top just so that they like wouldn't fall out when I went to go hang them up. And then I just put a little snowflake sticker at the front, and that's it. On this last one, I am again decorating the outside with some twine, and they had these little, you know, like they have all those fake leaves and trees and plants and flowers and stuff. So one of them looks like frosted trees to me, so I just used that, stuck some pine cones on the outside and cut off the tip of those of that leaf there, because like I said, it looked like little trees to me. And then I just hot glue gunned it to the side of the pail and added like a little greenery inside as well. So all 3 of these were really, really easy, and they turned out really cute. I did end up changing the hook on a few of them because it didn't give me enough height to hang it onto the tree. So I just used my little gold wire to make new hooks for them. So that's it. That's my tree this year. And if you haven't figured it out, I guess you can say I am going for a like a warm, cozy, and comfortable theme this year. A little boho inspired to fit my decor, but I really just wanted this tree to reflect family and how we've just been feeling this year, which is just grateful. Honestly, it's my first year having my own family and a lot of other new additions. I'm so happy. Everyone's so happy. Everyone is healthy, thank God. And I just feel at peace and so thankful. And this is what looking at this tree makes me feel even more. So I hope you guys really like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and try to make a few of these yourself and let me know how it turns out. All right, thanks again, you guys.